One select rider race. We are taking the Ninja 400 to have the Rosso 3 tires installed and get rid of these garbage stock, extremely used tires. Almost got hit already and I ain't even been on the road 5 minutes. I wasn't even paying attention, he had a stop sign. So we're on our way up to Chris Yurzak's. He's gonna install these tires for me on this early Monday morning, where right now most shops are so backed up they couldn't take you if you wanted. They put you on a back date schedule. So I got my tires on the back here, which is the best idea, but it's better than holding them myself. But otherwise, we're gonna go get these tires installed, link up with Randy's Reality, and then probably do some riding. Break these brand new tires in and enjoy some of this weather. In the meantime, if you're not a subscriber, you can go down below, click that subscriber button. It doesn't cost any money. Just click subscribe and you'll see more of my content regularly. And if you go over and hit the bell as well, you can see everything when I post it. You'll be notified anytime I post any kind of content on YouTube. But on our way to Chris's, so I'm going to break out for a little bit. I'll get back with you guys when we get there. Peace. Select Rider Race.